Hello, my dear students. Welcome again in my channel. Let's study with Madam Sir. Students, in our complete series of English grammar, now we are reading direct to indirect speech. Students, in this video lecture, we are going to read direct to indirect speech in exclamatory sentences. Student, we all know that what is exclamatory sentence? The sentence that expresses sudden and strong feelings. They are called exclamatory sentences. So student, first we are going to read what are the rules of changing direct to indirect speech in exclamatory sentences. So rule number 1, change reporting verb say, says, said to into exclaimed with joy, exclaimed with sorrow, exclaimed with surprise, exclaimed with anger, exclaimed with contempt, exclaimed with applause, exclaimed with regret, etc. So student, it depends upon the meaning of the sentence that what we are going to use in reporting verb. Now, second rule student, use that instead of inverted comma. Student, here in exclamatory sentences, what we are using for inverted comma? That. Now, rule number 3, remove the interjection oh, ah, alas, etc. We will remove it because we are using the word like exclaimed with joy for happiness, exclaimed with sorrow for sorrow, exclaimed with surprise for surprise. So there is no need of these words, these interjection in the sentence. Now student, next rule. Rule number 4. Change the exclamatory sentences into assertive sentence in indirect speech. Student, if there is exclamatory sentence in direct speech, so we have to change it into assertive sentence. Rule number 5, remove the exclamatory marks and put full stop in indirect speech. And last rule student, follow the general rule. General rule means change of person, change of tense and change of other parts of speech. Now student, here how to change exclamatory sentence into assertive sentence. It is very important to know here that how we will change it. So I have given here some example to change exclamatory sentence into assertive sentence. So come on here. Number 1, example number 1, how fast he runs. So when this is what exclamatory sentence. So when we say this type of sentence, how fast he runs, when he runs very fast. So we can say in assertive sentence, he runs very fast. Now example number 2, what a beautiful scene this is. So when we say this type of sentence student, when the scene is very beautiful, so we can change, we can write here in assertive sentence that this is a very beautiful scene. Now when it is very cold, so we can say how cold it is. So in assertive sentence what we can say, it is very cold. Now next example, what a place. If the place is very beautiful, if the place is very beautiful or very lovely, very strange, so we can say we can say the place that what a place. So what will be the assertive sentence? It is a lovely place, it is a beautiful place, it is a strange place. Now if something is very funny, so we can say how funny, and what is the assertive sentence of it? It is very funny. Now student, if we want to wish something, would that he were alive. If we wish something that somebody were alive, so what we can wish? How can we wish in a exclamatory sentences? Would that he were alive. Now how we can say it in assertive sentence? I wish he were alive. Now sentence 7 student, oh that I had the wings of a dove. So here student, again this is what? This is a sentence that expresses wish. So what we can write here in assertive sentence? I wish I had the wings of a dove. Now next examples. How kind of you to help me. Student, if somebody is helping, so we can say that how kind of you to help me in exclamatory sentence, and that's why we can say in assertive sentence that you were kind enough to help me. Now student, if we want to applaud somebody, praise somebody, so what we can say in exclamatory sentence? Bravo, you have done well. This is exclamatory sentence. And how we can say it in assertive sentence? It is a matter of praise that you have done well. Now number 10 student, hooray, we have won the match. So what indicate hooray here? It indicates that we have won something and we are celebrating it. So here student, we can say it in assertive sentence. It is a matter of joy that we have won the match. So student, here we have learnt here that how we can change exclamatory sentences into assertive sentence. Now student, here now we are going to read that here I have given some examples of direct to indirect speech in assertive sentence. So let it go through the examples. Number 1. Priyanka said, alas, I am ruined. Student. So alas, I am ruined. What does it mean? Alas, it expresses what? Sorrow. So we can change said into exclaimed with sorrow because the word alas is used here. So Priyanka exclaimed with sorrow. Then after for inverted comma that. Now I is first person. So according to Priyanka, she. Now we will change the tense also. So am is used here. So is rm change into was were. So write was here and ruined. So we get here student indirect speech. Priyanka exclaimed with sorrow that she was ruined. Now number 2. Vinay said, what a beautiful girl she is. Student. So what a beautiful girl she is. What expresses it? That it expresses joy. So Vinay exclaimed with joy. Said to change into exclaimed with joy. For inverted comma that. Now what a beautiful girl she is. So she student which person? Third person. No change. So write C here. Now is rm change into was were. So write was here. Now a beautiful girl because what a beautiful girl she is change into assertive sentence. She is a beautiful girl. And she is a beautiful girl change into past tense. She was a very beautiful girl. Now next example. Students, example number 3. He said, ah, my dog is dead. So, ah indicate what? Sorrow. So, student, what we write here? He exclaimed with sorrow, for inverted comma, that my dog, my student, my is first person. So, according to he, his. Possessive, his here, his dog is changed into was dead. Now example number 4. Ajit said, what a beautiful sight it is. So what a beautiful sight it is. It exclaimed what? Surprise. So what we write here? Ajit exclaimed with surprise. Now for inverted comma that. What a beautiful sight it is. So how we will change it? It is a very beautiful sight. And it is a very beautiful sight. Change into past. It was a very beautiful sight. Number 5, he said nonsense. So student, he said nonsense. So something is nonsense, that's why. So in simple language, we can say here that he exclaimed that it was nonsense. Here it is written like this in indirect speech that he exclaimed that it was nonsense. We will change the tense here because here past tense is used, that's why it was nonsense. It is nonsense in assertive sentence, it is nonsense, and it was nonsense, it is the past. Now next example students. Example number 6. They said, bravo, we have won the match. So they said Bravo indicate what? Again praise and joy. So we can write here, they exclaimed with joy that. Now we, first person according to the subject. What is the subject here? They. So write they here. Won, V2 change into had plus V3. So had won the match. They exclaimed with joy that they had won the match. Now, number 7. She said, how happy I am. It means I am very happy. I am very happy. She said, how happy I am. It means I am very happy. So she exclaimed with joy that I, first person according to the subject, she. So write C here. Now am change into was, and then after very happy. She exclaimed with joy that she was very happy. Now number 8 student, he said to me good morning. So good morning, we wish somebody good morning. So right here, we wished, he wished me good morning. We write here indirect speech what? He wished me good morning, because we are going to wish anyone good morning, good night. This is a type of wish. So we will use the reporting verb what here? Wish. Now next example students. She said goodbye. So goodbye is what? When we farewell somebody, so we say goodbye. So we can write here student, it is a bid. So bid, what is the V2 of bid here? Bed. So she bade me goodbye. Now example number 10. He said hello, where are you going? So hello indicate what? Hello, it is a type of greet. So we can write here, he greeted me. He greeted me. Now this is a question here student. That's why asked is used here. He greeted me and asked. Why asked is used here? Because this here there is a question too. So asked, where, question word where is used here, and you are going. Assertive sentence, you are going. Change into assertive, you are going. So you according to first person, you according to the object, second person you according to the object. What is the object here? Me. So for me, I, and is rm change into was were, was going. So he greeted me and asked where I was going. Now example number 11. She said thank you. So student, when we want to thank somebody, so what we say? Thank you. So we simply said here in indirect speech, what will change here? She thanked me. Now next example students. Example number 12. He said, well done, you have stood first. So student, well done, it is what? It is a type of applause, or it is a type of praise. So what we can use here? He exclaimed with applause. That is used here for inverted comma. You is what? You is second person. So according to the object, what is the object here? Me, I. Me. So for me, what will be here? I. Me is not written here, but it is understood. So here I is used. And have changed into had. Stood first. He exclaimed with applause that I had stood first. Now number 13. He said, my God, you have cut your finger. So my God, it's a surprise. When we say my God, when we have surprise. So right here, he exclaimed with surprise. Now for that, for inverted comma that, you, again second person according to the object. What is the object here? Me, understood. And for me, I have changed into had cut my finger. For you, your, and for I, my. Now number 14 student, he said help, help. So help is what? When he say help, he shout. So we can change into indirect. He shouted for help. Number 15 student, he said well done. When we said well done, when somebody has done very well, then. So we remarked. Here we use the word what? Remarked. He remarked that it was well done. Something is done well done. Some work is very good. So we can remark that it was well done. Past tense is used here, student, because the reporting verb is in past tense. So student, we have learned here exclamatory sentences, how to change exclamatory sentences into indirect, direct to indirect speech. So in the next video lecture, student, I will come with some special rules of direct to indirect speech. So keep watching my videos. Thank you for watching it. Like my channel and subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you once again.